iCity Power iqhube iphulo layo lokuqhawula uqhagamshelo lombane ngongekho mthethweni eRiver Park kummandla wase-Alexandra namhlanje kuseni. Eliziko lombane lithi lichonge le ndawo kuba ibeka umngcipheko noxinzelelo kovimba bombane. Okanti kwelinye icala abahlali bavutha bhengu umsindo ngenyathelo lokucinyelwa umbane.
Adina kanunwabo amalungu omphakathi ase-River Park e-Alexandra emva kokuthi iCity Power iqale kabusha imisebenzi yokunqanyulwa kwezintambo zikagesi ezixhunywe ngokungemthetho, kanti okhulumela iCity Power Isaac Mangena uthi le ndawo ihlonzwe njengeyingozi kakhulu ekuzinzeni kwenetwork kagesi ngenxa yokuxhunywa kagesi okungagunyaziwe phecelezi inyokanyoka.
Yeah, so basically we are here in River Park. We are disconnecting the block of flats called Mahauzan, which has connected itself illegally on our grid, and they've been actually causing problems in terms of the overloading of the network and also the blowing of our mini substations. We have already so far this winter replaced at least 2 mini substations that blew up because of this overloading, and this also causes problems to our customers that are actually staying here, the formalized customers that we are providing electricity. They've been complaining, they've been frustrated and inconvenienced because of the problems with the supply that is basically happening here. So as we are here today, we are basically making sure that we are disconnecting, and they need to make sure that they come and apply properly for electricity if they have to do that. What's the question? Look, if they want to connect and they want to do it legally, what they need to do is to apply for that. This block of flats do not belong to the city of Johannesburg. They belong to Gauteng government. What they need to do is to basically approach Gauteng government so that they can be formalized. City Power is ready to connect them at any moment. But we cannot do that whereas the block of flats were not handed over to City Power currently. So we encourage them to basically approach the Gauteng government so that they can basically be formalized and we can be able to provide electricity.
iCity Power ibisikhipha isitatimende ithi lokhu kuxhunywa ngokungemthetho akugcini nje ngokugcwalisa ingqalasizinda kodwa kuholela ekunqamukeleni kagesi njalo futhi kudala ubungozi bomlilo nokuphepha kwabahlali.
Lero rena ba re senantselo re direng ona no o armed o fully armed against motho wa senang next o fully armed against motho wa senang next o nyoko re motho wa yo di amware a tshoge bana ba toreng bana ba e ba reng o re khathela motlhagase o ra rena re gone dia order mo rena re a gona we dia order mo re tla botsa batho ba fokotse di heater ba fokotse di ketlele motlhagase o connect re connect batho re thushane re bele motlhagase.
Amalungu omphakathi akhala ngokuthi akekho baxwayisayo akekho khuluma nabo uma lolu hlelo luzoqhubeka babe sebenxusa ukuthi iCity Power ize nesisombululo kulenkinga kagesi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngingunobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngise Alex.